తక్కువ పెట్టుబడి తరగని డిమాండ్ ప్రీమియం బ్రాండ్ సపోర్ట్ తో మిస్టర్ ఆప్టికల్స్ ఫ్రాంచైజీ మీకోసం. కాల్ మిస్టర్ ఆప్టికల్స్ టుడే.
హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ టీవీ. నేను మీ యాంకర్ పవన్. ఈరోజు మనతో ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ గార్జియస్ దీపా థామస్ గారు ఉన్నారు. రావ్ బహదూర్ మూవీ గురించి మరిన్ని విషయాలు ఆమెను అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్కారం అండి.
నమస్కారం.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నారు. మీరు
బాగుంటే మేము చాలా బాగుంటాం.
ఓకే
ఓకే, స్టార్టింగ్ అంటే ఎట్లా వచ్చింది తెలుగు ఫిలిం అవకాశం, తెలుగు సినిమా? స్టార్టింగ్ అంటే ప్రియా, దివ్య మీనన్, బ్రైటీ అండ్ హౌస్ సర్జన్, శ్రద్ధ అన్నీ చేసుకొని వచ్చారు. రేణుకా క్యారెక్టర్ ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది రావ్ బహదూర్లో? యువర్ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్,
సారీ. ఓకే,
వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఇప్పటిదాకా చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ పోల్చుకుంటే? ఏమైనా సైమల్టేనియస్ గా కానీ ఏమైనా ప్యారలల్ గా ఏమైనా అనిపించినాయా క్యారెక్టర్స్?
సో Renuka, this character is very, very different from all this character what you are told now, names what you are told now, because it has a lot of layers that I've done. In recent film, whatever I've done only superficial film.
Okay.
That is not that too deep to about the emotions, things and all. When it comes to this film and this character Renuka, it's something which is so deep that I've done in my film career.
Okay.
Yeah.
Proper Malayalam,
Kerala.
Proper
Kerala.
Entry into the film industry. What inspired you to pursue a career in acting?
Because I was a model. I started my modeling journey by 2018. So I wanted to do modeling continuously, but my sister Deepthi told me that just try into films, and I just wanted to act in films. So then I started doing films, and yeah, that's how I reached here.
Okay.
Yep.
Coming from a nursing background,
Yeah.
how did your journey into cinema begin?
So when I was doing nursing, we had this college arts. Our college gave a lot of importance for arts. So I used to perform for dramas, and also I used to be Miss College. I used to perform for that, and I used to get opportunities there. So I wanted to try outside, like I wanted to go for Miss South India. I went for Miss South India. I became runner-up, and then I started my modeling journey from my college. So I took a diversion from nursing to acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you share your experience of your first audition?
My first audition was for a film titled Virus.
Okay.
It was directed by Ashika.
House surgeon.
Yes, the house surgeon one. So I had that experience where the audition was happening in my hometown itself, Calicut. So that film was based on Nipah virus. Have you heard about Nipah virus? Yeah. So that film is based about that. So being from a nursing background, it was easy for me to perform as like a medical student. So where I am just talking to the patient.
Okay.
And it was a very wonderful experience. The audition was done by Binu Pappu, an actor.
Is it dialogue or scene? First audition.
First audition, one dialogue, what I was saying is that, doctor, the saturation level is so low. The patient is not conscious. Like this was the dialogue. What I
Same
was
expression?
Not same expression. Abhidika. Saturation ഭയങ്കര ലോ ആണ്. പേഷ്യന്റ് അത്ര കോൺഷ്യസ് അല്ല. ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക്
അത്ര കോൺഷ്യസ് ഇല്ല.
അത്ര കോൺഷ്യസ് അല്ല മീൻ നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് കോൺഷ്യസ്. പേഷ്യന്റ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് കോൺഷ്യസ്.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a dialogue.
Okay. And this movie, any dialogue starting audition, Rav Bahadur?
Definitely. I had a scene where I had to do, which was given on Telugu. I had to speak.
గుర్తుందా ఐడియా? తెలుగు డైలాగ్ ఆర్ సీన్?
Dialogue I have to say?
Yes.
నా పేరు రేణుక.
ఓకే, అంతే.
More than that, if I say, kill me, చంపేస్తారు.
ఓకే. What were the biggest challenges you faced when entering the industry?
Biggest challenges? For sure that I'm not from a film background.
Okay.
So it was difficult for me to get into this industry. Like I don't have any much contacts in this film.
Okay.
So that was the major challenges. Like you have to create a network, right? To come into film. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Was there a particular moment when you felt you had truly become an actress?
Particular moment? As I said, my sister is the one while I was doing modeling.
Okay.
I was very casual. I was working every single day as a model. Like I used to do TVC ads. I used to go for print shoots, photo shoots, and all for all the brands.
Okay.
So one fine day, my sister told me that just start doing films. You can try. Actually, you have that experience on camera. Just go ahead, go for some auditions and all.
Okay.
So who gave me that power and who gave me that push was my sister.
Who has been your biggest inspiration in your acting career, acting journey?
Like from like family or from film, right?
Phil.
Definitely. I like Julia Roberts. You know the actress Julia Roberts,
I
right?
know.
I love her so much. And she is the one that whenever I used to watch films, every single film what she's done is that very, very different
Character.
and very emotional, very deep characters. So she's one of my favorite actors that I've
Okay.
met. So she's one of major inspiration for me to do in films.
Okay. And looking back to your career, which role has been the most memorable for you and why?
Right now, I would say definitely Renuka.
Okay.
As I said, this Rao Bahadur film, all of the film what I've done is Malayalam, which is my mother tongue.
Okay.
But Telugu is very different. It's a very new language for me. It was a whole experience, whole another universe that I'm coming to. And definitely Renuka, this character is different and which is special
Okay.
moment for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you prepare yourself for a new character?
New, definitely it'll take time. For this film, I took around 6 months
Okay.
to mold and also to learn. So because of this language barrier, definitely it took time, more time than the other thing. So to learn the dialogues and all. So I'll prepare
How much take your time in dialogues preparation?
dialogue preparation.
Mm.
All around the workshop went around 6 months for this film.
Which project helped you grow the most an actor?
Which project?
Which project helped you grow the most as an actor?
I would say I did a film called Perumani.
Okay.
Okay, that is from #home.
Okay. Okay.
This is a film called Perumani,
Mm.
which I've done in Malayalam, which is one of my favorite film
Character
that
name?
I liked doing. Its character name is Fatima.
Fatima. Okay.
So it is a Muslim character.
Mm.
Basically, I'm a Christian, so it's completely different from another community.
Christian?
Yeah,
Okay.
another religion, and I am doing completely covered, not covered like you have to put that tattam, you know.
Yes. Yes.
And I was not allowed to wax.
Okay.
There are Muslim, some religious aspects where we don't do threading, we don't do waxing. A lot of things are there. So it was very different for me that doing that character helped me out to grow as another person. It took around 3 months without no waxing, without no any threading, not even a single makeup on your face, not even lip balm. Yeah, so it helped me out to connect with that character, and that character had soul also. And
Okay.
I love that person, Fatima.
Fatima.
And it helped me out to grow as a better actor if I'm doing something in film.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a genre or role you have not explored yet but would do love to?
I would love to do athlete character. An athlete.
Okay.
And I would love to do a biopic of a inspirational woman types. Definitely. These two are my dream
Example
come.
names.
Not example, but I would like to explore a biopic of someone who's very inspirational. I would say like that only.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the most valuable lesson in the film industry has taught you?
I thought nursing should have a lot of patience,
Okay.
but it taught me that cinema, you need a lot of patience than that. Because you deal with a lot of people. So you deal with a lot of things in life. So that's
How do you balance audience expectations while choosing scripts?
audience expectations. Like, I have only one thing. Like, when someone watches my film, when someone comes out of the theater, that person should always remember me. Like,
Okay.
remember at least an emotion that I have done, at least something that they would say that, oh, I remember you from this particular film. So I just wanted to get connected with the audience. Like, I don't want to give a fake emotion for anything. I
Okay.
just want to go like deeply. I want to know that feeling of pain or happiness or whatever it may be. So I want that audience to get connected with a person that is not faked.
How support you as your family been throughout your journey?
My support system itself is my family.
Okay.
If they would have not supported me, I would have not sit here right now in front of you.
Mhm.
So I'm very thankful that I got wonderful parents, especially they are teachers.
Mhm.
They are headmistress and headmasters, but still, right now, when I'm sitting here, I'm very grateful to God and to them that they allowed me to achieve my dreams. So
Okay.
I'm so thankful.
What role has your family played in your success?
What role? God? Devudu, you
Devudu.
say, yeah. The scene Devudu,
Okay.
yeah.
What values from your upbringing continue to guide you today?
To listen and to be patient and to respect people around. That is what I'm always taking ahead with me.
When you were away from the camera, how would your family describe you?
When I'm away from my camera, kid,
Okay.
childish. I'm very childish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a funny or memorable incident from a film set that you can share?
Sure. I have this experience with
Rao Bahadur.
Rao Bahadur, where Venkatesh Mahagaru there was a very serious scene where I have to turn my head and I have to look at Satya Garu and I would say like, he was teaching me one serious dialogue.
Okay.
So I was like, yeah, suddenly he came. Like I used to prepare for the dialogues and come to the set. That time he told, Deepa, you have a immediate scene right now. You have to learn it just now, 1-2 words only. That's it. So okay, fine, I listened.
Okay.
And the dialogue was like, I
Say a
have to
dialogue.
turn.
1 to.
Yeah, turn it and I said like, Illa katam maffaliya.
Illa
This was the dialogue what he told me to tell. Look
Okay.
at Satya. And I was just thinking, Maffaliya in Telugu, I have not heard. And I'm asking every ADs, like my Suma, like I asked Jaya and all, is it right? What is he telling? Is it true? And then I got to know he was teasing me.
Okay.
They were telling, no, he's just kidding you. Don't do it. Yeah, this was one of the experience I had.
Which co-star or director has had the biggest impact on your career?
Any film.
Any film.
I would say Maju KB.
Okay.
There is a director named Maju KB where I did a film called Perumani in Malayalam.
Fatima.
Yeah,
Okay.
Fatima. So I was almost gave up on this career because I'm not getting such an opportunities in life and in cinema. And that very moment I got this call from Maju KB.
Okay.
He had helped me out to explore as an actor in industry, like, and I'm very thankful for him for giving me such a beautiful opportunity in my life.
What is one thing people often misunderstand about actors?
They should always smile. We are humans.
Okay.
People think that, oh, she's so rude or she's so bad when that person is not smiling or the person is going through some kind of emotions we don't even know what that
Okay.
person is carrying. But people think that I always get that vibe that you should always smile until you fake it. And I don't like that thing.
Okay.
Just give that space, especially that space for actors.
Mhm.
That has been misunderstood. Like you can get into their privacy
Okay.
is something that I would say not to do.
Okay. Can you tell us about your latest project and what excited you about it?
Right now, I'm not. Latest project is Rao
Rao
Bahadur.
Bahadur.
I'm just waiting for the release of the film. I hope this would be one of the best film that I've done in my film career, which is going to release on July 3rd. Yeah.
Okay. What can audiences expect from your upcoming film?
From my upcoming film, this film,
Hmm.
expect, I would say that I hope you will love this film. You will love this character, Renuka, which is not a superficial character that is coming, where I can't explain more about this film or this character. I have done a layers of Renuka. So I am so happy that I got this opportunity in TFI to explore me as an actor, and I am so glad that I could work with one of the wonderful director, Venkatesh Mahagaru, who's already one good visionary director. And I'm also a fan of his film called Care of Kanjarapalam.
Okay.
So yeah,
Are there any dream collaborations you would like to see happen in the future?
definitely yes. I would like to. There are a lot of collaborations that I wanted to. I'll tell later.
Okay.
Not now.
Would you be interested in working more in Telugu cinema?
For sure.
Okay.
Why would you think that I
And
just...
especially language barriers.
But that is not... We should... As an actor, we shouldn't think like that, right?
Okay.
Exploring being an actor, it is something that is your duty to come out of that box
Okay.
and explore new opportunities. So why would you think that I did Rao Bahadur, especially in Telugu? It's definitely for doing more projects in life, which is actually a good films. That's
Okay.
yeah.
What are your goals for the next few years as an actress?
My goals. Not only being an actor, I would love to help humans. I basically wanted to known as a humanitarian,
Okay.
and that's it.
If your life were made into a movie, what would its title be?
The Go-Getter.
What is one risk you took in your career that completely changed your life?
One risk I took in my career would be I got an opportunity to go to BSc nursing. After BSc nursing, I got a call
Okay.
from Mumbai Hospital, Fortis Hospital, a letter,
Okay.
job letter. At the same time, I got a call from Miss South India, where I got an opportunity where I was auditioned. I was selected for that.
Okay.
It happened at the same time. So I
Which
asked...
year? 2018?
Yeah, that time. And my
Okay.
parents, I asked my parents, what should I do? What do you think? And my parents told me that job opportunity you will definitely get again also. This opportunity will come now.
Okay.
At this age, it did great. You just try for it and go for it. And I became runner-up for that Miss South India. Then that's how my modeling career started.
Has there ever been a role that challenged you emotionally?
Renuka.
Renuka.
This film have given me
Okay.
most emotional moments in my life.
Ante psychological or drama?
Both.
Both. Okay. What advice would you give to young people who dream of entering the film industry?
Don't doubt yourself.
Okay.
Believe in yourself. Just, I know that there will be a lot of hurdles and hardships in your life, but don't forget that why you started.
If you had to 3 movies in your lifetime with only one hero, who would you choose?
One actor?
One actor.
Only one actor.
Only one actor.
That would be very difficult. I don't want to act with only one actor, but I would like to.
Any favorite heroes? Dulquer Salman sir, or Mohanlal sir, Mammootty sir, Prithviraj sir, and Allu Arjun sir, Ram Charan sir, Pawan Kalyan sir, Chiranjeevi sir,
I have always said that
Mahesh Babu sir.
definitely Mahesh Babu sir I like. And
Varanasi expect cheyachevana character.
I'm just what? Oh my god! I really like Nani.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're looking అంటే చూడడానికి రుక్మిణి వసంత్ గారు అనిపిస్తున్నారు కొంచెం సైడ్ లుకింగ్ ఫేస్ కొంచెం.
Don't say that because Rukmini will kill me if she hears it.
లేదు నాకు కొంచెం అనిపిస్తుంది కొంచెం ఇక్కడ నుంచి వస్తుంది.
Because you have to be yourself, like you don't have to be someone else. Sorry, Rukmini.
Okay. And what is the most stylish hero on the shooting spot?
Like I have done only very few films.
Okay.
So I have worked with Naslin
Okay.
in #home. So I found he's one of a very stylish actor
Okay.
in film industry right now.
ఓకే. ఎనీ నస్లిన్ చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇప్పటిదాకా మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ అంటే జిమ్ఖానా మూవీ కానీ ప్రేమలు కానీ ఐ మీన్ కొత్తలోక కానీ.
I basically love him as an actor. Like he's
Okay.
a very wonderful actor that I've met. I love all of his films, and most of his films are like funny, romantic things and all.
ఓకే.
I would say like I loved his performance in Kuridi,
ఓకే.
where people should actually talk about, where he's not such an actor where he's only that silent ga, romantic ga. No, I haven't watched Mollywood Times. I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about it. I couldn't watch. I'm just waiting. That is one of his career best film.
Okay.
Best film I got to know.
ఓకే. ఐఎమ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ తెలుగు Mollywood Times.
Oh wow! Yeah.
And what would you give as a surprise gift to the director on your movie set?
Surprise gift him sweets because he
Okay.
loves sweets. I know. So I would gift him sweets.
Sweets.
Yeah.
Okay. One rumor you wish was true.
One rumor. Nothing like that. I hate rumors. So
Okay. What is your favorite classic Telugu movie?
classic Telugu films I love. There is this film I love. Bahubali I love.
Okay.
Okay. And also I love this film Care of Kanjurapalam. It's one of my favorites.
A movie you can watch 100 times.
100 times I would watch. No. I can't watch 100 times and all. What are you asking?
Okay.
Max 3.
Marry, date, friend. Give 3 hero names.
Marry, date, friend. Oh no, I don't want to answer this also. No.
Any actors?
No, I don't.
Naslina, Artavino Thomas garu, Dulquer garu.
No.
No. If not an actress, what
Yeah.
would you be?
I would be a fashion designer. I would love to. I like to style also.
Okay.
Fashion stylist or something like that. I would be.
Okay. Love or career?
Both.
Both. Okay. And కట్టంనేని మహేష్ బాబు గారు ప్రెజెన్స్ ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది మూవీ వర్క్ చేయడం కానీ అండ్ మహేష్ బాబు గారి ప్రెజెన్స్తో అంటే ఆయన మూవీ ప్రెజెన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది వర్కింగ్ తెలుగు సినిమా ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఘట్టంనేని జిఎంబి ప్రెజెన్స్
Yeah. See, in life, we all have that feeling, right?
ఓకే.
We all have that dream come true moment. I never thought that I would do a film in Telugu, being an actor in Malayalam. And I'm just launching in GMP is something which is a bigger picture for me that I can't even imagine.
ఓకే.
So I'm very thankful to Devudu for giving me such a beautiful opportunity in life.
ఓకే.
So I'm just waiting for this film to release. That's it.
3 emojis that describe you best.
3 emojis that describe me best. I would say the normal smiley expression. Like that's what I am. Not an emoji person. I'm that a person of that old phone school.
Yes. I know.
So there are smileys what we create. 2 dot and that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a person like that. So I love using that always. My friends too know.
Okay.
And the heart what I use is that the arc like this and the 3. So these are my favorites. I am not that emoji person.
That symbols.
Symbols.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
No, if you're asking me, I would give this heart
Heart.
to the audience and to the people out there.
నాకు అనుకున్నా.
Okay.
Okay. One word that describes Deepa Thomas.
One word. A go-getter.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also movie title also Go Getter. In the previous question.
Go-getter. Yes, of course, yes.
Coffee or tea?
This is something which is always. I love both.
Both.
I love like morning I need coffee, evening I need tea. Where you
A
like
night?
ask
Night?
night no, but I like both.
Okay.
Like you ask me, what is important, sun or moon? Exactly like that. I love both. Flavors I like.
But చాలా మంది moon.
No, both.
Both. Okay. Favorite actress?
Favorite actress. So I love Nitya Menon,
Okay.
and
Why?
I love her performances
Okay.
and I love her subtlety of acting. And I love Julia Roberts.
Okay.
She's one of my very favorite actors.
Dream role.
Dream role, I would say I love working as playing a role of an athlete.
Family or frame?
Family of fame. Family.
Okay. A hidden talent people don't know about.
That is better to keep hidden itself. If
Okay.
you're having a hidden talent, you shouldn't speak about it.
Nursing.
I would tease my friends that I just left nursing because I killed 2 patients, and that is my hidden talent. No, some game talent.
Okay. One thing you never leave home without.
Whenever I go somewhere, right?
Mm.
My phone.
What was the last movie you watched in theaters or OTT?
Oh, I watched Obsession.
Obsession. Okay. Present 1900 crores or 2000 crores
Oh, yeah.
collection. Present.
Yeah.
If you get a Hollywood offer, who do you choose as a first hero?
Tom Holland.
Okay.
Undoubtedly Tom Holland.
Who is your dream director?
My dream director. In Telugu, definitely I would say S.S. Rajamouli, sir.
Okay. Expecting Varnas.
Priyanka Chopra is already doing the role, you know, right?
Okay. Any character.
Oh, of course, yes.
Of
I am very thankful for that.
If you get a superpower for a day, what would you do?
Invisible and
Okay.
I would like to watch people around what they really are.
Okay. One word about Tollywood fans.
What should I say about Tollywood fans? Because I'm new to Tollywood. I would like to say to the Tollywood audience that I love the energy of Tollywood.
Okay.
Like, people are so curious about films, art. I
Okay.
like that.
Beach date or long drive?
Beach day.
Beach date.
Yeah.
Lip sync or live voice acting?
Lip sync, live voice
Live voice. First crush?
in any films.
College days, school days, any cricket players, teachers.
Teachers?
SARS. Sorry, SARS.
Teachers.
Any seniors, college or nursing, doctors.
Doctor.
Backdrop. Okay.
Crush. I think that the first film that I used to watch was Ram Charan. I had crush on Ram Charan when I watched this Magadira.
Okay. Any dialogue? Magdira.
Dialogue.
Hmm.
Dialogue, I don't.
No.
I like that track. That is
Okay.
something crazy. No, I like that. Yeah.
Song you are addicted to?
Song.
Hmm.
I'm addicted to Asa Pasam from. I like that song from
Care
Care
of
of Kancharapalam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Instagram or Netflix?
Instagram.
One word for Satyadev.
He's a very most versatile self-made actor I have met.
One word for Venkatesh Mahagaru.
He's a visionary director.
Okay. Most difficult scene.
Difficult scene was an emotional scene that I've done.
Emotional scene.
Yeah.
Favorite day on set.
Favorite day on set.
Hmm.
There was a scene which I did in Rao Bahadur. While you were talking, I forgot the where there was that emotional scene and the clouds were
Okay.
completely into a very cloudy and it was about to rain, which
Okay,
we
okay.
needed. Actually, we wanted to put that rains and that scene became the nature actually acted